Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, robot fans, this is it. This is what it all comes down to. This is what this whole weekend has been all about. Two robots together. This is Django. Big round of applause for Django, everybody. Come on. And the reigning champion, this is Explosion. Go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Here we go. Oh, stop. Stop. Hang on. Hang on a sec, Mike. Now we're good to go. Right, okay. The judges have got the nerves. So,
yeah,
here we are.
3, 2, 1, begin.
All of the hours, the months of preparation have come down to this. The Featherweight champion. And there we go. And there we have it. Regaining his title. It is the 2016 champion, Explosion! What are you feeling right now, champ? Happy. We're happy. Fantastic. Well, why don't you guys join us over at the presentation arena where we're going to do some presentations and some champagne. So we'll see you over by the front of the Robo Challenge stand in just a moment. Thank you.